Hey YouTubers, this is Mr. Dankingen. You might know me from my Thomas movies that I made, and today I'm going to show you my Thomas Wooden Railway collection, so please enjoy. I'm going to bring them back first. There's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Diesel, Daisy, Mavis, Oliver, Harry, Bert, Diesel Ted, Lady, Salty, Harvey, Emily, Murdoch, no tender, Molly, Neville, no tender, Dennis, Rosie, Billy, Hank, Flora, Charlie, Big City Engine, but I call him Grant, and D199, my two custom engines, Josh and Woody, and my other custom engine, Rachel, Winston, Skylowy, No Cab, like in the Railway series stories, Crosspatcher and Bucking Buccaneer, Sir Handel, Peter Sam, Duncan, Proteus, Duke, and Mike, which will be appearing in Star Wars Legend of the Lost Treasure. Here are my road vehicles. I've only got Birdie and my custom Terry Loyola truck. I do have Harold, but he's here somewhere. Next are my coaches. I've got Annie, Clarabelle, Henrietta. This is supposed to be Flora's tram coach, I think, because of its shape. It's lost most of its paint though. Old slow coach and two custom made, well, I use as narrow gauge coaches. Very soon I'll be using narrow gauge coaches for one of my films. Anyways, next I just need to move my trains away. Next are my trucks. Giggling Chomsome truck. Chomsome truck. It's got missing paint on that side. It's got paint on that side. Scruffy, Fred, the cow cars, the chicken cars, the fog car doesn't work. Hector, Chinese dragon, a green Brio hopper car, a Brio oil tanker, and a blue flatbed for Brio because of the wheels, like those other two trucks. Here are my brake vans, Toad and the yellow caboose, and my two battery-powered engines, battery-powered Thomas and battery-powered James. Thomas works. And James doesn't, because it's got a dead battery inside. Next up is my extra engines when I need them. I've got, I need to move stuff out of the way, sorry. I've got an old style Thomas with half the face broke off, another old style Thomas with no name on the bottom, a 2002 Thomas, 2003 Thomas with no stripes, a 2003 Thomas with stripes, two gold Thomases, one's in good condition and the other one's in poor condition by the looks of it. Edward's tender, an extra Henry, an extra Gordon without the tender and in poor condition, an extra James in poor condition. James goes buzz buzz with this Brio Express train tender. I'm missing the tender for this James. Douglas's tender. I'm missing Douglas. I can't find him anywhere. It has no name on the bottom. Old style Daisy. Emily with broken wheel arches and no tender. and the face is broken as well. Hero's tender. I can't find Hero anywhere. An extra Big City engine, that's all scratched. 5 Annies and 5 Clarabelles. 2 cow cars, and this is supposed to be the Blasting Cap car, which came from that Funk car, but I don't know. These have got so many Annie and Clarabelles because every time I get Thomas, I get Annie and Clarabelle, or I get them as gifts. So I just need to move my trains. And also, I don't usually get character cards, but I'm sure there'll be a lot of people out there with character cards. And that's it. That's all my Thomas stuff I've got. I've got a lot of trains though. Thanks for watching. See you later.